Welcome to our guide on how to use Signum's API, your gateway to building innovative applications on one of the most energy-efficient blockchain platforms. Signum, formerly known as Burstcoin, offers a blockchain platform supporting smart contracts, dApps, and custom tokens through its RESTful API. Today, we're diving into how you can interact with this powerful network. To start, Signum's API is structured around REST principles, making it intuitive for developers to query blockchain data, process transactions, and much more. First up, you'll need the base URL of a Signum node. It looks something like this. This is your entry point to the network. Let's make our first API call to check the blockchain status. You can use tools like curl or Postman for this. This simple request gives you a snapshot of the blockchain's current status, including block height and network difficulty. Signum's API offers a range of endpoints covering accounts, blockchain info, transactions, and the network. Each endpoint serves a specific function, allowing you to build comprehensive applications. For more complex projects, consider using an API library. These libraries provide convenient functions to interact with the network, streamlining your development process. A few best practices to keep in mind: ensure your requests are secure, handle errors gracefully, and be mindful of rate limits to maintain good standing with network nodes. To deepen your understanding, check out Signum's official documentation and GitHub repositories. They're packed with detailed guides, examples, and tools to help you along your development journey. That's a wrap on our beginner's guide to Signum's API. With these basics, you're well on your way to unlocking the full potential of the Signum blockchain in your applications. Happy coding!